If a car has hit you while you are walking anywhere in New York City, what you do in the next few minutes and the next few days can make a real difference. This video walks you through exactly what to do after a pedestrian accident, step by step, so you can protect both your health and your legal rights from the very start. Whether this just happened to you or you are helping a family member figure out what to do next, these steps apply either way. New York City streets move fast. Heavy pedestrian traffic, complicated intersections, and drivers who are distracted, speeding, or making illegal turns all add up to pedestrian accidents happening every single day across the five boroughs. What you do in the immediate aftermath can directly affect how well you recover physically and how strong your case is if you decide to pursue compensation. Step 1. Call 911 and get medical attention right away, even if you think you feel okay. Adrenaline can mask pain, and some of the most serious injuries, like concussions or internal bleeding, do not always show symptoms right away. Getting checked out also creates a medical record close to the time of the accident, which becomes important evidence later. Step 2. Document the scene if you are physically able to. Take photos of exactly where the accident happened, the vehicle involved, any traffic signals or crosswalk markings, and your visible injuries. These small details can be easy to forget once the shock wears off, so capturing them in the moment protects your account of what happened. Step 3. Get witness information before anyone leaves the scene. Anyone who saw what happened, whether it was a driver's illegal turn, a failure to yield, or a red light violation, can support your version of events later. People are much easier to reach at the scene than they are after they have gone home. Step 4. Be careful about giving a recorded statement to an insurance company before you have spoken with an attorney. Insurance adjusters are trained professionals, and their questions are often designed to get you to say something that can be used to reduce or deny your claim later. It is okay to politely decline until you have guidance. Step 5. Preserve evidence quickly. In a city as busy as New York, surveillance footage from nearby buildings, storefronts, or traffic cameras is often overwritten or deleted within days or weeks. The sooner someone requests that footage on your behalf, the better the chance it still exists when it matters most. There are also a few mistakes worth avoiding. Never apologize or say you are sorry at the scene, since that can be used against you later, even if you did nothing wrong. Avoid posting about the accident on social media while your claim is active. And be cautious about accepting a quick settlement offer before you know the full extent of your injuries, since some injuries take weeks to fully show up. There is also a clock running on your legal options. In New York, you generally have 3 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury claim. That window can be much shorter, sometimes just 90 days, if a city vehicle, like an MTA bus, was involved. Waiting too long can mean losing your right to compensation altogether, so it is worth getting this checked early. Pedestrian accidents happen in a lot of different ways, and Michael Gunzburg, PC, represents victims across all of them. That includes crosswalk accidents, hit-and-run cases, bicycle and pedestrian collisions, bus and commercial vehicle accidents, illegal or unsafe turns, and injuries caused by distracted drivers, across all 5 boroughs of New York City. Compensation in a pedestrian accident case can include medical expenses, lost wages, and payment suffering, among other damages. Michael Gunzburg, PC, has secured a $3 million settlement in a Manhattan crosswalk case, a $2.85 million settlement in a Bronx pedestrian case, and a $2.5 million settlement in another New York City pedestrian accident case. The earlier an attorney gets involved, the more evidence can be preserved, and the stronger your case tends to be. That can mean gathering surveillance footage before it disappears, working with accident reconstruction experts, and negotiating directly with insurance companies, or taking a case to trial when that's what it takes. Michael Gunzburg, PC, works on contingency, which means there are no fees up front and you owe nothing unless the firm recovers compensation for you. If you or someone you love has been hurt in a pedestrian accident in New York City, do not wait to get guidance. Reach out to Michael Gunzburg, PC, for a free case review. Call 212 725 8500 or find the link to get started in the description below. There's no cost to talk and no obligation to move forward. The goal is simply to make sure you have the information you need.